Thanks for coming along to this video on the Mottai platform. We're looking at trading direct market access CFDs. Mottai developed by FlexTrade in partnership with FP Markets. So this video is one in a series of selling points explaining, which we'll try to go through selling points of the platform in as little time as possible. We'll try to rush through it and make it nice and quick. Just looking at the website, let's have a look at some of these selling points that are on here. There are many on this page. But I just want to look through this one here. Fast amend functions for order price and quantity, housed within an advanced order pad with tabbing logic. Traders can also highlight one or multiple orders to take action on more than one order at a time, and single-click order cancellation through the order pad with multiple order cancellation kill switches. Okay, so let's take a look at that. One of the most frustrating things for me about trading in other ASX trading systems in the past is not being able to amend or cancel orders quickly or efficiently, right? Like there's a lot going on. You might have multiple positions open. Maybe it's the opening auction. You know, you're trying to watch other trading opportunities plus manage your existing positions. And in some systems, when you need to cancel an order, there's no hotkey for it. You have to find some action icon menu, something pops that you get, and are you sure with a confirmation when you don't need it. Right when you're modifying price and volume for your orders, you have to use the mouse and then go back to the keyboard and can't submit the orders by pressing enter. Like there's just a lot of things that get in the way in previous interactions with other systems. And so one of the things we've wanted to focus on is just really simple and fast and efficient order cancellation and order amendment processes in the Mottai platform. Okay, so let's just demonstrate it. Let's put a few orders into market and away we go. Okay, so let's say for AU, if we put an order to close this short at say $23 even, all right, goes into the order pad. We've got our pricing information in the top left hand corner. So we've got our portfolio information in the top left hand corner. Some market data in terms of a market depth and chart here. We've got an embedded order ticket, which we can use, or we can use floating tickets. Our execution tab at the top, which shows us when we're going to fill, and we're managing our open orders in the blotter. Okay, so multiple ways to cancel an order in this system that are nice and quick and simple. Left click on the order, right click. You've got your options for right click to investigate further, so you can cancel, modify, pause. You can do many actions with the right click. You can also just give it one click of this cancel column. You can hide or show that column, but if you want to use it, it's just a one click of that red X there. If you hit F1, list of keyboard shortcuts. All right, this is very keyboard friendly. Control C cancels the order. Okay, so multiple ways to cancel these orders. Right click, cancel. All right, NEU again, 100 units, 23 even. All right. Highlight, Control C, cancels the order as well. All right, just want to illustrate, if I just pick a different stock for a moment, that we can do multiple orders, actions on multiple orders at the same time. All right, so if we put some 200 units here at 380, buy, multiple orders, all at 380. Okay, in this system, if you hold down Control, just like an Excel spreadsheet, you can highlight multiple items. Or you can hold down Shift and go to the bottom. You can right click and you're now cancelling 3 orders, or Control C for all 3. Right, you also have a panic button in the top right hand corner, cancels all working orders immediately. You basically click on that and hit enter on the keyboard. Okay, so order cancellation is simple but easy. Let's move on to modification of price and volume. Again, 380 for our order that we're going to modify. Again, right click for modify. The ticket pops up, price is already highlighted, and you're just overriding and hitting enter. Right, so you can't make it much more simple than that. It's right click, modify, 380, enter. Okay, that's if you want to use a right click. You can you can right click, modify, shift tab to the left, go 199 units now, hit enter, that's fine. Or you can use your double left click. If you double left click on the target size, that's where the modified ticket will default to. Double left click, 200, enter. Or double left click on the limit price, 381, enter. Okay, and again, if you don't want to use your mouse, just do a Control V. Control V, 379, there we go. And Control V, Shift Tab, 199, enter. Okay, so that's order modification, order cancellation made super simple, fast. Will be easier if you're managing a lot of orders and there's a lot going on. The last thing I'll go through is just this go to bid and go to ask feature, because it is an order amendment, amendment of price, but to the bid and offer, all right, which is something you're commonly doing. If you've got an order that's meant to, let's say, if we enter a very small position in Wesfarmers here, if we just short Wesfarmers at market, right, that's got me into a short in Wesfarmers. If I put a buy order that's meant to close the position, maybe down at 55 even, all right, let's say I'm hoping that this goes my way and I'm getting filled on a spike and I just close my position ideally at 55, but what if it gets down to 55.05, goes sideways and starts ticking back up, and I'm thinking, okay, look, I just want to close this position. I can just manually close the position, and then I need to remember to come back and cancel my order that's sitting in the market. I can right click and amend this price up to 55.21, 55.22. That's a possible option. But what's much more quicker, and much more efficient, is just be able to use this go to ask, go to bid to instantly amend the order to the bid and ask. In this case, it's a buy order. I'd amend it to the ask, and it'll trade straight away. There's no pop-up message. There's no confirmation. Okay, so you're watching your order here. You've got this here. Right click. If you want to close right now, just amend go to ask. Right, and it closes the position for you. So that's the last feature of amendment that is common sense, and you can make the execution a little bit easier. Thanks for listening, and we'll continue with the videos in this series.